handsome bird. But I need your help to call his name. Can you say Jumbo? Louder everyone, say Jumbo! Hey everybody. So here's our green wing macaw named Jumbo. Nobody, can you wave to the crowd? Hi. Now everyone, can you bring back to Jumbo and say hello? Hello. So macaws have very long tail and feathers that it can grow up to 3 feet from its head down to its tail, with a tail that can grow up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful tail. Can you turn everybody? Alright, good bird. How about last one? Cute bird. So as you can see, most of their color is outside of their body and less color is under their wings. Now I'm going to show you his beautiful wings. But first, can you say wings?
Wings.
Last one everyone, say wings. So macaws feet are zygidactylous, meaning they have 2 toes that point forward and 2 toes that points backward. They also use their feet to hold on things and climb. Now Mr. James here is a groundnut. He will place it into the plastic basket and let's see how Jumbo gets his reward. So look everyone, he carefully move the plastic basket and get his reward. Now we're using reward system to recompense the intelligence and effort of our bird. And as what I have mentioned earlier, that Jumbo is very special and intelligent bird. Do you want to know why?
Yes.
Well, that's because Jumbo love to go to school, to the bird school. So we have prepared 2 sets of tests for Jumbo. So we will be having the spelling test first. We have here 4 animal pictures: the zebra, the horse, the camel, and the snake. I want you to choose one animal picture. What would you choose?
Zebra.
Alright, we heard some snakes, so let's have snake with Mr. Charles. Well, Mr. Irvin is preparing for the Jumbo letters, so let's have a short interview with Mr. James about Jumbo. Now, Mr. James, how are you today?
I'm good.
That's good to hear, Mr. James. Now, Mr. James, for the first question, where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
South America, but I guess you'll have to stay here in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Alright, so we'll just wait for a few minutes. I think we're all set, buddy? Take a good look at the picture and what is the spelling of snake. Alright, so first you pick up the letter S. Nice start, buddy. What was the second one? Oh, you made a shortcut. Alright. Alright, now what's the third one? Sorry. And you pick up the letter A. Alright, how about the fourth one? And you pick up the letter K. How about the last one, buddy? You pick up the letter E. So snake spells S-N-A-K-A. Is it correct?
Yes.
Alright, now it seems to be too easy for Jumbo. So let's make it more difficult. So we will be having the mathematical test in addition form. Now everyone, can you give me 2 numbers between 1 to 10? Hand side, how about this side? Hand side. Alright, let's have some. 9. How about this side? And 8. 9 plus 8. Alright, Jumbo buddy. What is 9 plus 8? I know answer. So don't worry, we will ask another question with Mr. James about Jumbo. Now, Mr. James, what are Jumbo's favorite food?
Variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables.
So Jumbo loves to eat varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. For the next question, Mr. James, where did Jumbo go to school?
University of Cebu Safari.
So Jumbo studies at University of Cebu Safari, everyone. Alright, buddy? Let's try the math. What is 9 plus 8? What is it? So thinking. Make sure that's right. Alright, so first I pick up the number 1. How about the last one, buddy? What is it? Is it 7 or 5? So thinking. And you pick up the number 7. So 9 plus 8 is equals to 17. Is it correct?
Yes.
Alright, so round of applause for our green wing macaw named Jumbo. Now at this moment, I need 2 volunteers. 1 kid and 1 adult volunteer. Just raise your hands and wait for our staff to approach you. So we have here our volunteer staffs, Ate Elma and Ate Apple.
Are you not afraid of the word? Are you not afraid?
Make sure the kid is not afraid of bird. Okay, are you ready? Alright, so stand still, don't make extra movements. As I want you to meet our cute and fluffy son, your name, Bunny. So second years are medium-sized bird. It has a golden plumage from its head down to its underparts and green wings. And despite of their size, Bunny has a big heart. He loves to share. So after he finishes food, he'll go back inside and call his friends. Alright, thank you so much, Kuya. Alright, for the adults, sir, are you ready? Also known as San parakeets, they're playful, social, and had a very loud voice. They're native to northeastern part of South America, like Brazil and Venezuela. So if you want to feed our Sunken we also have there at the birds of the world. So they love to eat varieties of seeds and vegetables. Alright, thank you so much, sir. Now for the next volunteer, I need an adult volunteer who will stand at the center of the bridge. Okay, please careful and watch your steps. And face the crowd, sir. Alright. Okay, so stand still. Don't make extra movements as I want you to meet our couple bird named Ding and Dong. So second years are monogamous, meaning they only have one partner for a lifetime. And when their partner dies, that's the only time they will find another meeting partner. They are also monomorphic, meaning both male and female shares the same physical features. Alright, thank you so much, sir.
They go back to the cage.
Now for the next volunteer, I need an adult volunteer with the peso bill or money. Alright, I think we already have that volunteer. Please join me here at the stage, ma'am, and watch your steps. Sway, ma'am. Okay, so good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to the show. May I know your name? LJ. Ma'am LJ, how was your tour so far? That's good to hear, Miss LJ. Now, Miss LJ, do you have your money with you? Alright, can you show it to the crowd? So, Miss LJ has 500 peso bill. So, all you have to do, ma'am, is fold your money into half, 3 times, same direction. And then, stretch your arms and hold your money at the tip like this. Are you ready, ma'am? Are you sure with your 500 pesos? She's sure. Alright, so stand still, don't make extra movements as I want you to meet another cute and fluffy son your name, Sunny. Now Sunny loves money, so no matter what, they love to pick up things to build their nest. Now let's see what Sunny will do. First, the Sunny flies all the way to Miss LJ. And those are the next things to do. And he picked the 500 peso bill. So bye-bye Sunny and bye-bye 500 pesos. Easy money. Ma'am, do you have any message to the bird?
Give me my money.
Sunny said, Ma'am, thank you. Serious question, ma'am. Did you enjoy? Alright, so since you answered yes, can we do it one more time with 1,000 pesos? Nasa parents daw. Oh, they have the 1,000, ma'am. No, I'm just joking, ma'am. I'm just joking. So we will return your money. So all you have to do is stretch your arms and open your palm. Just grab the money, ma'am, and not the bird, okay? So don't worry, Sunny is a very good bird. He loves seeds more than money. So come on, Sunny. Let's return to money. Alright, so Sunny flies back all the way to LJ. And he put the 500 peso back. So round of applause to our second your name, Sunny. And ma'am, since you joined me here at the stage, Is it okay that you will be our last volunteer? Alright, so all you have to do is to hold one of our hula hoops. Stand right here lang, ma'am, and hold like this. All set? Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to our talented son with your name, Jack and Jill. Alright, so they passed to the first one, they get the second, and they passed to the third one. Oh, last one, buddies. Alright, so they passed to the first one, they go to the second one, and they passed to the third one. So, a round of applause to our talented son with your name, Jack and Jill. And thank you so much, Ma'am LJ. Thank you. Be careful and watch your steps. Alright. Name, Mr. Horde. So Tugutukan is a large and best toucan species. It has a white throat with black body that helps them to camouflage in the rainforest. So as you can observe, toucans has a large and colorful bill that looks heavy, but in reality that is actually light because it is made of protein and keratin, just like our hairs and nails. Now Mr. James here with a handful of fruit. He will try to toss it to Mr. Horn and let's see how good he is at catching. Good catch, Mr. Horn. So they are also adaptable bird, meaning when they lost their home, they can be easily find another home. And they're also the least of IUCN as least concern. So there are a total of 40 toucan species around the world, and one thing they have in common is their large and beautiful bill. Alright, how about last one, buddy? Good catch, Mr. Horn. Alright, do you want to stay with me here? Or do you want to go inside and get more food now? Alright, Mr. Horn. First, a round of applause for our Tugutukan named Mr. Horn. Now, since we're already here in Brazil, let's meet Mr. Horn's good friends as we have here our Yellow Crown Amazon parrots named Lani and Rudy, together with their mentors, Miss Jahan and Miss Rachel. So I'll hand you to them for a moment.
Thank you, Mr. J. Again, everyone, this is our Yellow Crown Amazon parrot named Lani and Rudy. Yellow Crown Amazon parrot is the most commonly kept Amazon due to its talking ability and playfulness.
That's right. Meaning to copy sound what they heard every day.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
They can mimic a different sounds of animals. First is a rooster. Kapatid, a rooster. Thinking about cat.
Rudy, can you bark?
And also, they can mimic a telephone ringing and a whistle. Kapatid, telephone. Thinking about whistle. And also, Lani and Rudy love to sing, but before they sing, they need to have a warm up first. But let's do the warm up. Okay, how about the first song? Okay, again. Okay, before the second song, let me ask first. So celebrating their birthdays today or within this month. Okay, hi, happy birthday, and now listen carefully because Lani and Rudy will sing a happy birthday song. Okay, but sing happy birthday. Again. Okay, again sing happy birthday. Okay, last one. Last one, sing happy birthday.
So happy birthday to all the celebrants, and thank you Lani and Rudy, and of course to their mentors. Now, since you already witnessed the skills and talent of our Flappy Birds, now it's time to meet some raptors, our birds of prey. So birds of prey are the big birds with sharp talons, pointed beaks, and wide wings. For examples are hawks, kites, vultures, and eagles. So with that, I need the cooperations of everyone to remain seated. Turn off the flashes of your phones and do not try to reach out these birds. Because the next set of birds will showcase their extraordinary hunting skills and flight styles. And lastly, they will fly closer to you. And the birds of prey we have here is a diurnal type, meaning they're more active and do their hunt mostly during the daytime. So with that, please sit down everyone. Okay, so we will just wait for the others. Name, Glider. So Brahminic kite is formerly known as Banug in Bisaya and Lawit in Tagalog. It has a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and the rest of its color is a striking chestnut brown. Right, kindly sit down and do not try to reach out these birds because they have a So round of applause for our Brahminic kite named Glider. Now for the next bird, we will first need a lure. So a lure is handled by Mr. Charles because this bird will showcase how sharp his eyesight is and how good he is at catching his food. Again, please sit down and do not try to reach out this bird. All set, Mr. Charles? Now ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes alert for our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. Good catch, Hunter. Now we have here again Mr. James. He is the real food or the real prey, as Hunter will not let go of the lure without an exchange. So as you can see, Mr. James is wearing a thick gloves to protect himself from the sharp talons of the bird. And Philippine hawk eagle is under the red list of IUCN as endangered species threatened by habitat loss. Considered as a medium raptor that can grow to 65 to 70 centimeters with a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. So a round of applause for a Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. Now from the medium-sized birds of prey, let's meet one of the largest birds of prey we have here in Cebu Safari. So with that again, I need the presence of everyone to remain seated and do not try to reach out this way. Alright, I think we're all set. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our grand finale, keep your heads up high for a white-bellied sea eagle named Marina. So, white-bellied sea eagle, also known as white-breasted sea eagle or king, its underparts and its back and wings are dark gray in color. Considered as a large raptor that can grow to 75 to 85 centimeters, with a wingspan of 180 to 220 centimeters. And they're also the list of IUCN as least concern. And they can be found throughout Southeast Asia. And lastly, white-bellied sea eagle are the largest birds of prey in United Kingdom. Alright, Marina, are you ready to take off? So a round of applause for a white-bellied sea eagle named Marina. And to seal this moment, we are flying lorries all the way from Australia. So we have 3 types of lorries, the black cap lorry, the chattering lorry, and the rainbow lorikeet. And to make this more memorable, we have here the symbol of love and peace. Prosperity and Harmony, our group of peaches. And also our Scarlet Ivy is all the way from South America. Come on, buddies. But before we totally the show, let me introduce you to the people behind of this success. My partner is Mr. James, together with Marina, and our assistant bird trainer at the back, Ms. Jehan, Mr. Rachel, Mr. Charles, Mr. Irvin, Mr. Rubik, and our senior bird trainer, Ms. Debbie, and our volunteer staff, Ms. Elman, Ms. Apple, and our soundman after, Mr. Ricky, and yours truly, my name is Jake. Thank you so much, everyone, and enjoy the rest of the walk. And by the way, ma'am, sir, for those who want to take pictures with our photograph birds, just form a line here at the center. We have here